Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the subject what we are looking into, that is quantitative techniques under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. We are now into logarithms. This is part 30. First question, simplify logarithm of 4 plus 1 by 3 times logarithm of 125 minus 1 by 5 times logarithm of 32. This we need to simplify. So first of all, we will write logarithm of 4 as logarithm of 2 square plus this 1 by 3 times logarithm of 125 can be written as logarithm of 125 to the power of 1 by 3. Similarly, minus 1 by 5 can be taken to the power and we can write it as log 32 to the power of 1 by 5. So actually we need not do this. We can simply keep it as 4 only. So this is further simplified as log 4 plus logarithm of 125 is nothing but 5 cube to the power of 1 by 3 minus this is logarithm of 32 is nothing but 2 power 5 to the power of 1 by 5. Now this can be simplified as log 4 plus this 3 and 1 by 3 gets cancelled. You simply have 5 plus log 5 minus this 5 and 1 by 5 gets cancelled. This is nothing but log 2. So now we can straight away apply the product and division rule. That means logarithm of 4, log 4 plus log 5 is nothing but log 4 into 5. And then minus 2 is there, so that will be divided. So we get 20 by 2, which is log 10. If no base is specified, means generally we consider the base to be 10 only. So this is nothing but 1. That will be the solution for the first question. Let us move on to the second question. The value of 1 by logarithm of 10 to the base 2 plus 1 by logarithm of 10 to the base 3 plus 1 divided by logarithm of 10 to the base 5 plus 1 divided by logarithm of 10 to the base 7 plus 1 divided by logarithm of 10 to the base 11. All these can be written as, if I take this to the numerator, base will change, means it will interchange in the sense log 2 to the base 10. This will be log 3 to the base 10. This will be log 5 to the base 10. This will be log 7 to the base 10. This will be log 11 to the base 10. Now it is like log A plus log B plus log C plus log D plus log E, which means A, B, C, D, E we can multiply. So this is equal to logarithm of 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 to the base 10. And if I multiply those 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11, we get 2310. So this result is logarithm of 2310 to the base 10. That will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the third one. The value of 2 by 3 log 8 minus 1 by 2 log 1 by 4 minus 3 times log 2 is what? Now we will again take we can rewrite this. 2 by 3 can be taken to the power. So 8 to the power of 2 by 3 minus logarithm of this 1 by 4 can be written as 4 power minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2. That this 1 by 2, which is here, that can be taken to the power. Minus logarithm of 2 to the power 3. So that will be nothing but logarithm of 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 2 by 3 minus logarithm of this 4 is nothing but 2 square and 2 square into minus 1. So it becomes 2 power minus 2 to the power of 1 by 2 minus log of 2 cube, which is log 8. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we will have log 2 square, which is nothing but log 4 minus logarithm of 2 power minus 1 minus logarithm of 8. So this can be rewritten as logarithm of 4 divided by 2 power minus 1, and then again minus log 8 is there. That means that 8 will come to the denominator. So this is equated to this, and this goes, and this you get 2. So which means this is logarithm of 1 divided by 2 power minus 1 into 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2 power 0. So this becomes log 1. Log 1 is 0. So that is the solution for it. Now let us move on to the next question. Fourth one. The value of 2 log 16 by 9 plus logarithm of 54 by 224 plus logarithm of 21 by 16 is what? So now this can be written as 2 times log 16 minus log 9 plus logarithm of 54 minus log 224 plus logarithm of 21 minus log 16. This is nothing but 2 times log 16. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 and 9 can be written as 3 square. 54 is nothing but 27 into 2. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So logarithm of 2 into 3 cube minus log 224 is nothing but 32 into 7. So I can write this as logarithm of 32 can be written as 2 power 5 into 7 plus logarithm of 21 means logarithm of 7 into 3 minus logarithm of 2 power 4. Further, this can be simplified as 2 times, this is nothing but 4 log 2. Then next one, minus 2 log 3. Then plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log of 3 cube. Then next one, minus of log 2 power 5 plus log 7. Log of 2 power 5 plus log 7. Then next one, plus log 7 plus log 3. Finally, minus 4 log 2. Further, this can be simplified as 8 log 2 minus 4 log 3 plus log 2 plus 3 log 3 minus 5 log 2 minus log 7 plus log 7 plus log 3 minus 4 log 2. So this minus log 7 plus log 7 gets cancelled. And here we have 8. Let us consider this 8. That is logarithm of 2 we are assuming. 8 is there. Here 1 is there. This is done. This is taken. This is minus 5. Then minus 4 times log 2. Then consider 3. Log 3 means minus 4 here, plus 3 here, then here, plus 1 here, times logarithm of 3. I think we had considered everything. So this is equal to, see now you may notice here it is 9 minus 9, 0. 0 into log 2 is 0. Here it is plus 4 minus 4, 0. So plus 0 times log 3 is 0. So final result is 0. That will be the solution for this particular question.